How to reset an iPhone without losing your data. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can reset an iPhone without losing its data. First things first, in order to reset an iPhone without losing the data, what you can do is you can head over to settings, then head over here to your general option. Now once under general, you can see iPhone storage here. You can check how much storage is here used and make sure that your iCloud has this enough storage to back this all up. Then you can either back it up now by heading over to iCloud and back it up on iCloud, or the other option is you can also back it up on other manual locations such as your PC or hard disk or such. So basically you want to reset, you'll have to first back it up, then only then you can proceed to reset it without losing the data, because resetting will remove everything from your iPhone. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.